Okay, welcome to this lesson on solving inequalities containing brackets. You should be able to solve two-step inequalities already. If you can, this topic will be easy. There is a starter here, so pause the video, have a go, come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. Expanding one bracket should be easy for us, okay? Question one, I'm going to use the grid method. Okay, you may have a shortcut for it. So 3 times x plus 7. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 7 is 21. So the answer is 3x plus 21. Done. That's question one done. Question two. Same sort of thing. Little grid method. 4 times 11x minus 3. 4 times 11x is 44x. And 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. So this is going to give me 44x minus 12. That's that one done. And this last one, the numbers are bigger, but as long as you can use your box method or grid method for doing this as well, you're good to go. So 21 times 36x. 21 times 36 is 756x. And 21 times 7 is 147. So our answer here is 756x plus 147. Okay, done. Here's the nod. Let's get that down. We're going to solve inequalities containing brackets. And you should remember from before, for example, one, but if you're going to solve these, they behave just like equations. So pause the video, have a go, and come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. I'm going to write this down again. And the first thing I'm going to do to make this look like a two-step equation, I'm going to expand these brackets here, okay, to make it look a bit easier. So my first step today will always be to expand the brackets. Now, I know some of you can probably do this in your head, but I'll draw a little grid method. 3 times x adds 7. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 7 is 21. So we've got 3x plus 21 is bigger than or equal to 27. And we should know the steps now. Remember, because this is positive 21, I will take it away instead, do the inverse operation. And 27 take away 21 is 6. And then remember, to get rid of the 3, I will just divide by it. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So I think that x is greater than or equal to 2. But let me do my check as well to make sure I'm okay. Remember to check, I'm going to put x, I'm going to substitute x back into the equation. So wherever I see x here, I'm going to replace it with 2. So I will get 3 bracket 2 add 7. That's the left-hand side. And let's see what we get. Well, brackets first. 2 add 7 is 9. And 3 times 9 is 27. And that's great, okay? It works because when x is 2, I get exactly 27. But my x is at least 2. So I will get either 27 or more than 27, which is what I wanted. So I'll give it a tick and I am done. Okay, example 2 is here. Same method. Pause the video, have a go, come back when you're ready. Okay, welcome back. So I'm hoping the first thing we did is to expand the brackets. So first thing, I'm going to expand the brackets. I'll do it on the side of the page here. So 5 times 2x minus 3. 5 times 2x is 10x. And 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. So I get 10x minus 15 is less than 45. Remember now my inverse operations, this time I'll have to add 15 on because the opposite of taking away is to add. So 45 add 15 is 60. and then I'll divide by the 10, as we've done in previous lessons, and 60 divided by 10 is 6. So I claim that x is less than 6. But let's do a check. Let's put x into here and see what happens. Right, so 5 bracket. Now remember, 2x means 2 times x. Okay, so this means 2 times 6. Well, 2 times 6 is 12. So 5 times 12 minus 3. Well, what's the bracket worth? Here, 12 take away 3 is 9. So 5 times 9 is 45. And that's right. Because when x is 6, I get exactly 45. But my x is less than 6. So I will get an answer less than 45. So I'm done again. Okay? Just like equations. No problem at all. Right then, for the main task, here, pause the video, have a go, come back when you're ready. There is a challenge question after the main task, but main task answers coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here they are. And then the challenge questions coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. And the challenge answer is coming up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here it is. Okay. It looked really bad, but if you expand the brackets, use inverse operations, use the bus stop method, nothing too bad about it. And now the checking questions, pause the video, have a go, come back when you're ready. Okay, so question 1, do it by here. So I'm not going to show my expanding brackets. Okay, I'm just going to do it in my head, because by now you should be able to expand brackets, no problem. You're going to get 2x minus 22 is less than or equal to 6. Now I will add this 22 on. All right. And 6 add 22 is 28. And then I will divide by the 2. How many 2's in 28? 14. Let's do a little check a minute. So let's put 14 back into the left-hand side. So 2 times 14 minus 11. Well, 14 take away 11 is 3. And 2 times 3 is 6. So I'm definitely right. Okay, because when x is 14, I get exactly 6. But my x is less than 14. So for this one, let me box to make it stand out. X is less than or equal to 14. Okay, that one's done. And question 2, I might just very quickly just copy the slide over to make it a bit easy to read. I will, yeah. Means I can get rid of this now. Yep. Because question 2 is leading on to some more advanced work, which you might remember from year 7. So here we go, question 2 then. 5x plus 9 is bigger than or equal to 2x add 24. Now, you've seen in year 7, okay, if we had this equation, and you would have seen this equation like this in year 7, to make it look like a two-step equation, which we can solve quickly, you would subtract all the x's off one side. In this case, you would subtract 2 x's from both sides to get rid of them. So that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to take 2 x's off both sides. That means on the left-hand side, 5x take away 2x is 3x plus 9. On this right-hand side, these are all gone, which is what I wanted. And I'm left with positive 24 or just 24. Now we're back to a two-step equation. So I'll solve this now in 2 seconds. All right. So I will take away 9. So 3x is more than or equal to 15. And now I will divide by 3. Pardon my dodgy divide sign. How many 3's in 15? I think is 5. So x is more than or equal to 5. Now to check here, let me just put this back the way it was a minute. Let's see if this makes sense now. So I claim if I put 5 into here, then it should make sense. Right, so the left-hand side, this means 5 times x add 9. So 5 times x, so 5 times 5 plus 9, that is going to be 25 add 9, which is 34. That's the left-hand side. The right-hand side, let's try it. 2 times x plus 9. 2 5s are 10. Sorry, not plus 9, is it? What am I doing? It's 2x plus 24. Left side is. So 2 5s are 10, sorry. Add 24, that's also 34. And that is just perfect, okay? Because when x is 5, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. That means when x is bigger than 5, the left-hand side is going to be at least the same or bigger than the right-hand side, which is what I want. So I am going to go again. So x is less than or equal to 5. This second question here was a bonus question, really. If you can solve the first one, the brackets one, then you've done pretty well with this topic. Okay? And with that, we're all done. Nice one.